What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. One of the most common mistakes we see people making when purchasing a phone mount for their motorcycle is misjudging their bar size. For this reason, we came up with 2 easy methods on how to measure your bars without a caliper with some basic things you can find around the house. Okay, so for the paper and pencil method, you just need a ruler, scissors, pencil. Very easy to do. Mark a spot on the paper. Measure. I'm gonna go 1.5 inches to get our first measurement for the template. Line those up. 1.5. We'll spin this guy around. We'll take another measurement of 1.25 inches, just so we can test to see that size. So basically what I'm doing is, I'm assuming it's 1.5 inches, but I'm measuring 1.25 inches and 1.75 inches too, just to make sure that my measurement is perfect. I'm kind of rushing through this, but you know, you want to be mindful of your lines. Okay, so now we have our template. We have it measured out for 1.75 inch bars, 1.25 inch bars, and 1.5 inch. So as you can see, with 1.75 inch, there's a lot of play. 1.25 inch, it's obviously larger than that. And then when we test our 1.5 inch, there you have it, dead nuts. Okay, and my preferred method is C-clamp and a ruler. Very simple. You just get the clamp fitted snugly around the bars. Obviously you don't want to scratch the bars, and that's it. Measure the gap and you have your diameter. Okay, so we've determined that these bars, these beautiful bars by Factory 47, are 1.5 inches in diameter. We installed our motorcycle phone mount, our new bar clamp, new vibration dampening cradle. It makes full surface contact. It's a perfect fit. We'll have another video dedicated just to the motorcycle phone mount to go over the features and benefits and how it's a little bit different than what else is out there and what makes it unique. And we want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I hope we help you understand or determine how to measure your bars quickly and easily with some basic parts you have laying around in your garage.